Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find Trust Wallet private key, either exporting, importing, or saving or recovering your account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now I'm in the Trust Wallet application, and then from here once you log into your account, all you have to do is click on the top where it says Trust Wallet. And from here it's going to list all the wallets that you have in your sections under this same account. So to check for any one of them, I'm going to click on the top right, which is going to be the three dots. And then from here, as you can see, it will give you a few options. One of them is for the Google Drive, which is going to be the backup that you will do for this account. Or if you want to check manually for your secret recovery code, all you have to do is click on the manual for backup now. And then from here, it will tell you that this secret phrase unlocks your wallet. So click on double check for the impressions. And then from here, click on continue. And as you can see right now, it's serving me the secret phase. But this is a warning that you should keep this private because anyone with this secret phase will be able to log into your account simply from knowing your wallet address. And that's pretty much it. Once you click on continue and you have it, it will give you each one. And then you're going to confirm the secret phase. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.